Hello. Today I'm gonna change my stereo radio on my Fiat 244 2005 model, and I'm gonna change from one DIN player to a new double DIN. So I have to change the phase here to do that, and a new player and the brackets. Okay, let's start. First to do is to remove these two screws with umbraco. And then we have to remove this old one, and then we are going to replace it with a new one. Then there is out. And now we have to start with the new brackets. We have to change this one with a new one. So just remove these two screws. Then replace with a new one. And just fasten the screws. Then we have to fasten these brackets on the face here. It's plastic, so do not over tight the screws. And the last one is fasten. Then we put the player in, and we have to at least 2 screws on each side. Then it's ready to install in the car. Because it was really cold today, I have to go inside and do some of the work. It's 10 degrees below zero. Then it's ready to install in the car. Antenna and a dub antenna. And this cable here is plug and play. A little bit short cable, but I think I can do it. Yeah. Yeah, already starting up. Not fully finished, but almost. I think it looks awesome, and also with a place I can have the mobile phone when I'm using Android Auto. That's good. Now is the radio up and working. I have a cable here ready for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I think that will work fine. Very satisfied.